I am delighted to present a series of 1-minute videos. These videos represent a complete metaphysics, which I define as an all-encompassing philosophy. It all began in 2013 when the Philosophical Society of England published a paper that I wrote titled Aristotle's Noun. Soon after this, they invited me to expand on the paper with a series of essays which they ultimately published under the title Metaphysical Notes. Finally, I turned these notes into a major work titled Everything Briefly. The Philosophy Sharing Foundation of Malta picked this up and invited me then to deliver their annual philosophy lecture of 2025. The present series is a radical reworking of that lecture. I have chosen AI avatars to present each section.